Okay, we like. And the dirt is so hard. So, I know we'll be perfectly fine getting out on both ends. But yeah, ooh, it smells really nice out here. All right, we're here, y'all. I don't know, like this place is so pretty, but I just pulled up the weather app and it has changed again, so it's gonna rain all tomorrow, and it looks like it's gonna rain the day following. So I don't know, y'all. I just don't know. And the thing is, I don't drive in the rain, so it's like I'm here now. And tomorrow is gonna rain all day. So I think I just have to stay and deal with the rain. Had to do this. Never look forward to refilling this water and stuff. It's just too heavy, but it's like a evil necessary. And honestly, it takes a few minutes. It's just like, ugh, you know, or whatever. Just got finished refilling the water. I was putting water away. Jada is up in the front of the bus, but it's some deer back here. I had the music going, which is crazy. Like, why would you even want to come over here? But, you know, animals are very curious of us. Good girl. The sun came out. How about we gonna throw the ball this way so you don't mess with the deer. Good girl. Why are you just standing there, dear? Homie just standing there. Jada finally noticed it, silly girl. Them some serious nope clouds over there. Oh, girl, hush. She's growling.
I'm so high, so high. They told me to sit back, don't make a sound, don't go to the unknown, but I'm too curious for that. Might be a little crazy, I don't mind. I like the way it feels. No need to set off the alarm. No. See, I won't stick with it, running in a wheel, no. So I'll be taking off, for I'm dead and gone. Oh, I'm so high, so high. I'm erase the aeroplanes up in the sky. I'm so high, so high. I'm a dream and fall asleep on clouds tonight. Yeah. You see, my home is where my heart is, so I reach for higher ground. I'm living out of a suitcase. I'm getting close, now I can taste it. Flavors bitter, still so sweet. I see the finish line ahead. Oh,
quite a bit. I did not mean to make this much, but it happened. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner vibes for the next few days.
So high, I'm a dreaming, fall asleep on clouds tonight.
Jada's like, what are you doing? Well, I have a Mountain House ambassador meeting that is about to start. I'm setting up this tripod for. So that is what I'm doing. It has just been scattered showers, but the wind has caused the river to have like a nice little sound to it, so that's nice. Gotta get ready for this meeting. Sheesh, it is so windy. I hope the worst of it is gone. Like, I had to close all the doors and stuff like that in the windows. It started to rain. Unfortunately, today was supposed to be the day of no rain. So, I don't know, guys. This kind of makes me sad, but you know, whatever. It's weird being out here. It's so pretty, but dark. It's already getting dark. We are by ourselves. It's nice, though. It's really nice.